This is Melissa Thorsby, or Coach Mel T, Hops and Squats on Instagram. I've had Instagram and Facebook both going live here. And I'm doing a little cooking this morning. Say hi when you come on. Hey Eric, hi Dad. I'm gonna be making some keto crackers today. I have some tabbouleh. Hey Stacy. I have some tabbouleh and some baba ganoush left over from the restaurant we went to this weekend. And I have nothing to use to dip them. So I thought, why not make some keto crackers? I've never made these before, but these look super, super simple. It's literally 5 ingredients. So I'm gonna get that started now. Hey, hey April, how you doing? So I'm gonna get that started now. So what this is 1 cup of ground flax seeds. I already ground them in like a small mixer. You can do it like a coffee grinder. And so it's 1 cup, and we're gonna just do this in 1 bowl. Super simple. All right, and then 2 eggs, already cracked, 2 eggs. If you can hear my dog upstairs, I had to put her in the room. She's being naughty. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan or Romano. I have Parmesan. Put that in here. And then 1 teaspoon of minced fresh rosemary. I don't have fresh. So I'm going with what I got. I have dried. I chopped it up a little bit. Hey Lorraine. So I'm gonna put that in here too and just mix it all up. Hey, good morning, Ronnie. I'm gonna mix this all up. And then what I'm gonna do, I already have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. These don't take long to cook. Oh my gosh, that flaxseed smells so good. So it's a really thick paste, like dough, okay? And I already have my parchment paper and some wax paper because that's how I'm gonna roll it. So I'm gonna just roll it out here, thin as you need them, thin as you want them, thin as you dare to put them, and then bake them. So I'm gonna do that right now. So move my wax paper, get my parchment paper, see? Okay, I'm gonna get this wax paper on top here and I'm just gonna roll them out. And I just plan on using like a pizza cutter to cut them in squares. You can use a cookie cutter, but I like to use all the dough, so I'm just gonna use a pizza roller or a pizza cutter to get them, oh geez, this is harder than it was. There we go. To cut them out. And they're not going to be perfect. They don't need to be. They're for my enjoyment. The dough is a little tough, but it's not too bad. And cut them out. All right. I don't want them too thin. I don't want them too thin because I don't want to break them. So I think that's good. I'm going to take that off. Put this on my cookie sheet. And I can even just cook it like this and break it. I could do that, or I'm just going to try and cut them right now. And then throw them in the oven. And I throw them in the oven for, I'm going to sprinkle them with salt and bake them for 10 minutes. And then it says flip them over and do it for another 3. So it doesn't take very long at all to enjoy some keto crackers. I'm excited about this. This was easier than I thought it was going to be. So here we go. I have my mother of all Himalayan salts here. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Where are you watching from? We're in Detroit here. It's 10:30, and I don't know where you guys are at, but it is freezing here in Detroit, Michigan. Like bitter cold. Okay, so we have a little salt on here. I'm going to throw these in for 10 minutes, flip them over, and for another 3, and I'll show you what they got, how they turn out, and let you know how they taste. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I can post the recipe below if you're interested. I also have a keto recipe book that I made for recipes I love. If you're interested, send me a message, and I'll get that over to you guys. Hey Jody, how you doing? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching and joining me this morning. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.